What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you how to play You by Lany. So just going to show you all the parts out there, even this riff we have at the intro in the chorus, which is I think the main thing of the song. Quite easy, and if you find that like you can just play that easily, I'm just going to show you an advanced way to play that combining with the chords. So use some variation, it will be actually good for you, and that won't be boring at all. So and two string pattern. So let's get straight into it. Unlike my other lessons, I don't want to show you the structure right now because this song has the same thing going throughout. So therefore, have a look at the chords first. First chord is the F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. If you find that out, you can just play it like this. Then you have a D minor, which is mute mute open second third first. And see the way I'm actually placing my fingers is it's a middle finger on second fret of the G string, pinky on third fret of the B string, and index on the high. My ring finger is actually free, and there's a reason behind that. But if you all the time if you play like this, it's actually a good habit. Then we have C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. And after that, we actually have a B flat, which is mute 1 3 3 3, and a 1 on the high E string. You can play it anyway. Play a lot of way you can actually play this chord. So you can just use any other way. Now, if you have a lot of problems regarding this B flat chord or the F major, feel free to drop a comment down below. I will actually provide you with one of my videos showing you how to master the bar chord. So let's just try to have a look at the string pattern first. Alright guys, we're just gonna come into this riff and all just a bit later, but firstly this is a very easy thing. Have a look at the string pattern. It's actually down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Nice and easy. Down, down, up, up, down. After the riff, like I just showed you right now, I'm just gonna show you right now the riff. Let me show you the string pattern, but after the riff I'm just gonna show you another string pattern which is actually implemented in another part. So we got down, down, up, up, down. Pretty easy. We're just gonna apply that twice for each chord. So the chord progression, we start off playing an F major, so we're just gonna play the string pattern twice for the F major. Then we have a D minor, we're just gonna play that twice for it. Then you have a B flat, but this B flat and C major are all in a single bar, so we're just gonna play the string pattern once for B flat and the C. So and after that we again have a F major in that chord progression. So again we're just gonna play that 2 times. So you can see F major, 1 chord, a B flat, another group. So 2 down, 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 up, up, down. Same for the B flat. And then we have this B flat. What was I saying? Sorry, F, D minor, B flat, and C. So we got F, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, B flat, D minor. And then you have a B flat, and in that B flat we actually have the C. So just gonna play down, down, up once on that B flat and the C. So make sure that you play down, down, up, down once on the B flat and C, and then after that we can have a F. With that we actually end that chord progression. So let's play that with that string pattern. down, up, down, 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 up, down. Easy way to play the B flat. Down, down, up, down. F. And repeat that chord progression on and on throughout the whole song. Now guys, let's have a look at the riff I was talking about. So we actually start playing. We actually do a slide from fret 1 to all the way on fret 6 on the B string. Like this. And then you play. So what I'm doing is I'm playing. I make sure you always do down, up, down, down, up, down. Always follow that alternate picking style. Don't go down, 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 down. Not like that. So we got 6th fret on the high E string. We're just gonna play that 3 times. So down, up, down, and then you're gonna play the 5th fret on the high E string. 4 times. Down, up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, like that. And it actually goes 4 times, which means we come from all the way down to here, and then you're just gonna play this 4 times. So one more. That's now. And after that, we're just gonna do a slide from. I'm sorry, just a minute. I'm just gonna do a slide from 4 to 5 on the G string, and then you'll play. You will have your middle finger on the 8th fret of the B string, and you're just gonna play that 3 times, like we played this note over here. I'm gonna play that over here on the 8th fret of the B string 3 times, and then with the pinky, you're just gonna play the 10th fret on the B string 4 times. It's actually followed that pattern, and we again repeat that for the 4 times. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Never mind, guys. I just want to play that one more time, the full riff. Before that, let me complete that. So now we'll actually go back and play this 6th fret on the B string. So you got everything right now. After playing this 4 times, we're just gonna move on to the 6th fret of the B string, and we're just gonna play that 14 times. Let that go on. Nice and easy. Hope you got it. So that's it. Let me play it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I just forgot to make the slide. And that's it. So let's have a look at this nice and easy part. Not super easy, but it's definitely a fun way to play the riff and the chords for the whole song. Yeah, I was just talking about this one. So for this one, well, firstly you need to know the string pattern. So the chord progression remains exactly same, but the string pattern will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Again, the string pattern is again going twice for each chord, and this is just down. No ups are in the string pattern. So we got. Let me make that a little bit for you guys. On the 1 we actually have the B. So we're just gonna do a big down on the 1, and on the 2, 3 just gonna try to strum the top strings. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So got a nice option. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So do that twice for each chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, once for the B flat and C, and you move on to the F. End that chord progression over there, and repeat the whole chord progression. And now let's have a look at that thing. So we have that F major chord, but we're just having 3rd fret on the D, 2nd fret on the G, 1st fret on the B. Okay. Now everything which I'm doing right now are only downs, so we're just gonna do all down. What I'm doing is I'm actually playing. I'm holding the F major chord. My pink A is free. I told you how to play that. 3, 2, 1. We are doing only downs. So now we're just letting our pinky rest on the third fret. We're just gonna put our pinky third fret on the B string. On the G string. So you may think that the second fret on the G string is useless now, but still make sure to press that over there. So we're just gonna play that note, ring that 3 times down. So 1, 2, 3, and after that we're just gonna lift our pinky and we'll have second fret on the G string. And we're just gonna play that 4 times, trying to mimic that thing which we just had. I'm playing that in a lower octave with the chords combined. So 1, 2, 3, remove the pinky, and repeat that one more time on the F major chord. You move on the D minor chord, and that's the reason I told you how to play the D minor chord shape like this, having your pinky on third fret of the B string. Now we're just gonna play. You're just gonna do the exact same thing which you did from the F major chord. You're just gonna play the same thing, but this time your pinky is over here. So you're just gonna use a ring finger and put that on the third fret of the G string. Do 3 downstroke, and you're also gonna strum that D string open. So 1, 2, 3. Remove that ring finger and play second fret on G string. And you can actually strum all other strings, including the D and the B. Repeat that 4 times. And after that, you're just gonna move on to the B flat chord. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna hold that B flat chord shape like this: 1 on the A, 3 on the D, and your G string is actually open. Everything is actually open, and you're just gonna strum the A, D, and the G string. You're just gonna do 3 downstroke. But now with your index, with your middle finger, you're just gonna put that on the second fret of the G string, and you're just gonna do 3 downstroke. I'm sorry, I was just gonna remove that G string. Sorry, I'm very sorry. That you 1, 3 on the D and open on the G string. We're just gonna do 3 downstroke, including the G is open. So we got the G over there. 1, 2, 3. After that, you're just gonna put that G string second fret with the middle finger and do 4 downstroke over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you repeat that 2 times, and then you move on to the C major chord, and you got third fret, second fret on the A and D. And now you don't need to put that on the B string because we are now strumming only the A, D, and the G string. So we're just gonna put our index, not now. So you strum the A, D, and the open G string 3 times, and then you're just gonna put that on the second fret of the G string, and you're just gonna do 4 downstrokes. That's basically what I mean. And after doing that 2 times, just gonna go to the F major chord and play that 14 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Or you can, in other words, you can just play the F major chord, the strumming pattern twice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, like that. And that's almost everything. So let me play that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, made a mistake. I'm sorry from the beginning. Oh. One more time. That's it. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Friday gonna do a lot of music, a lot of lessons coming. So make sure to stay tuned. I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.